What's up guys? Cley here and I'm your host Chester. Today we're going to unbox this Toshiba Canvio 1TB external hard drive which I ordered online. So let's go! So this will be our unboxing video guys. As you can see, it says Canvio 1TB times 1 with a serial number here and I don't know, maybe a model number here. So let's open the casing. So that's it, very secured and very good casing from Shopee. By the way guys, I leave a link below where I bought this Toshiba 1TB external hard drive. So that's our main packaging. There, some setup guide, but I believe it's written in Chinese and I can't understand some of it. So here's the box content. Okay, so let's open the main box. So very good packaging here. Here's the main item, and let's get and other contents of the box are some paperwork here, manuals, and the cord which I believe is a USB type cord and a USB 3.0 cord. So that's our cord. And then let's open the bubble wrap listing. Here is the main item, Toshiba. There's a LED light here, and there's the port here, and some write-ups at the back. So that's it. This is pretty solid and pretty straightforward for the packaging. The USB cord and the external hard drive. So that's it. Let's test the speed of this unit. So now I'm copying files from my laptop to this Toshiba hard drive, and this, as you can see, it has a speed rate of approximately 30 to 35 Mbps. So I'm transferring big files So that's our speed test for this external hard drive. So that was our unboxing and mini review of the Toshiba Canvio 1TB external hard drive. I hope you like this video. Please hit the like button, please comment, and please subscribe to our channel. This is Cley Films, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye!